If you've been sitting on the fence about buying a drone, waiting for the right moment, the right price, or the right model, I'm going to stop you right there because that moment might actually be right now. DJI drones that once felt like serious investments are showing up at prices that would have seemed completely unrealistic just a year ago. Thanks to the Amazon Big Spring Sale, models across the entire DJI lineup are seeing steep discounts, with the entry point starting at just $149. And if you paid full price any time before this, honestly, these deals might sting a little. So let's break down every single one of them. Before we dive into each drone, here's a quick snapshot of where prices stand right now. The DJI Neo starts at just $149. The Mini 4K is down to $209. The Mini 3 is sitting at $299. The newer Flip begins at $309. And even the immersive FPV-focused Avatar 2 now starts at $526. That range alone tells the whole story. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to upgrade, there is genuinely something here for every type of buyer. And depending on who you are, there's a very real argument that waiting any longer is actually the bigger mistake. Let's start with the one that honestly sounds like a typo. The DJI Neo at $149. A $149 DJI drone sounds like either a mistake or a serious compromise. But it's neither. The Neo is a fully stabilized 4K camera drone that shrinks DJI's core experience into something that fits right in your palm, and now into your impulse buy range. What makes the Neo feel like such a turning point isn't just the price. It's how little you're actually giving up to get there. You still get smooth 4K video, AI-powered subject tracking, automated cinematic shots, and thoughtful safety features like return to home. It's also light enough that recreational users can skip FAA registration entirely, which quietly removes one of the biggest mental barriers for first-time buyers. But the real shift is in how you actually use it. You don't even need a controller. You can launch it from your hand, control it from your phone, or even use gestures and voice commands. That simplicity transforms the whole experience from learning to fly a drone to just capturing something cool. And if you want to go further, DJI hasn't locked you out. The 3-battery controller-free combo is now $219, down from $289. And it's easily the sweet spot, tripling your flight time without adding complexity. The Fly More combo at $259 adds a dedicated controller and extra batteries. And the Motion Fly More combo at $399 delivers the full FPV experience with goggles and everything else you need to go truly immersive. Next up is the DJI Mini 4K, one of the most popular beginner drones on the market, now priced at $209. And this is where things stop feeling like a deal and start feeling like a genuine shift in expectations. The Mini 4K has always been the safe recommendation, the drone you suggest to someone who wants something reliable, easy, and capable without overthinking it. It shoots stabilized 4K video, holds its position confidently with GPS, and doesn't overwhelm you with complexity. At $299, that made a lot of sense. At $209, it becomes really hard to justify not buying it. What stands out here is how the bundles are structured. The $269 2-battery combo completely changes the experience. No more rushing your shots, no more watching the battery bar anxiously. And the $309 Fly More combo, which would normally sit around $450, gives you 3 batteries and a charging hub for full session freedom. Most buyers will land somewhere in that range, and honestly, they'll be glad they did. Then there's the DJI Mini 3, a drone that until recently sat comfortably in the spend a bit more to get something good category. At $299, it's drifted into something far more interesting, casual consideration territory. This is still a drone that delivers genuinely impressive results. The 4K HDR video looks polished, the stabilization works quietly in the background, and the vertical shooting mode makes your footage feel native to Instagram and TikTok rather than cropped or adapted. These aren't minor things. They're the details that separate footage you share from footage you forget about. But what really changes at this price is how you think about owning it. You stop asking whether it's worth it and start imagining where you'd actually use it. A weekend trip, a sunset walk, a quick clip that turns into something you genuinely want to post. The friction just disappears and the use cases start showing up on their own. Even the upgraded versions with DJI's screen-equipped controller or the Fly More combo feel more accessible than they should right now. Here's something most people won't admit. A lot of drone purchases stall out not because of price, but because of hesitation. Too many controls, too many things that could go wrong. That nagging feeling that you might crash it within the first 5 minutes. The DJI Flip seems built specifically to deal with that. And now at $309, it's doing it at a far more tempting price point. Like the Neo, the Flip can be flown without a traditional controller. Your phone becomes the interface. You launch it, frame your shot, and let the drone handle the rest. But unlike most beginner-friendly drones, it doesn't feel like it's holding back. The camera is capable, the footage looks sharp, and the automated shooting modes produce clips that feel genuinely intentional. What really stands out is the design. The propellers are fully enclosed, which immediately makes the whole thing feel safer and more forgiving. Add in obstacle sensing and automatic braking, and the experience becomes far less intimidating than people expect. And yet it still sneaks in features you'd normally associate with more expensive drones. Advanced color profiles, cinematic effects like dolly zoom. It's a real reminder of how far entry-level has come. The Flip sits in a strange but compelling position right now. A product designed for hesitant buyers, priced for impulsive ones. The FPV steal of 2026. Now let's talk about the most interesting one in this lineup. The DJI Avatar 2. DJI has slashed pricing on it by as much as $340. And while that might make you think maybe wait for the next one, the reality for US buyers is a bit more complicated. New DJI launches don't always arrive smoothly or quickly anymore, so the question becomes, wait for something uncertain or grab something proven at a steep discount. And the Avatar 2 is very much proven. It delivers that full immersive FPV experience, the kind where you're not just flying, but actually feeling the motion, without requiring the steep learning curve of traditional FPV setups. It's intuitive, durable, and cinematic, in a way that very few drones can match. For a category that's typically lived in enthusiast-only territory, these price cuts are genuinely a big deal. The Fly Smart combo now starts at $526, down from $619. The Fly More combo with Goggles 3 has dropped from $999 down to $719. And the 3-battery Goggles 3 bundle is now $859, down from $1,199. That's serious money saved on a serious drone. Step back from all the individual deals and a bigger pattern starts to emerge. DJI isn't just discounting products, it's lowering the barrier across its entire ecosystem. At $149, it's pulling in people who would have never considered a drone at all. At $209 and $299, it's converting hesitation into action. And at the higher tiers, it's making upgrades feel more reasonable than they normally would. That is exactly how an ecosystem grows. So maybe you weren't planning to buy a drone today. But here we are. All the links to these deals are in the description below, so go check them out before the sale ends. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment telling me which drone you're eyeing, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.